Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video here on the Nobra Motorsport channel. Today I'm going to help you. So you just bought your car and want to spend a little but do a lot of upgrades to your Audi. Here's a tip. Your Audi A3 might be a 1.4, 1.8 or 2.0. These 6 upgrades will only cost 100 reais, okay? You can make 6 cool upgrades to your car by spending just 0 reais and adding this account with the 6 upgrades. The first upgrade that I'm going to tell you about here would be cool to install on your car, which I really like as it gives it a different aesthetic. One of the ideas that I wanted to share with you, and it was one of the first things I bought, were stainless steel pedals. So 90% of people buy an Audi 3 and run out to buy the stainless steel pedals to put on, which look really cool. Next would be the central console finish. I'll post photos and images for you of what each thing is. So the console finish would be around 240, and the stainless steel pedals would be around 130 reais. Okay, these prices may fluctuate, but these were the prices that I found on the open market. So the central finish of the 240 carbon fiber console with the 130 rise stainless steel pedals, the gear knob finish with that finish on top of the carbon fiber gear knob, you'll spend around 70 reais. It's not a very high cost. This is a very reasonable expense to make this modification. Another cool thing to enhance the features of your car would be the threshold indicator. It would be the VCD activations, which is already a large cost. This cost includes the activations there by paying a person, which is around 200 reais. This is more or less an average price in the market to get the activations. Remember, it opens up a wide range of activations, starting from placing the hands to move when you start the car, placing a lap timer there, the stopwatch, the onboard computer, changing the way the rear light turns on, changing the way the headlight turns on when the blinker turns on. Among many other options, there are already more than 20 options at a cost of 200 reals. The LED door sill stands out more on the car. This one is flashing, but there is a model where it only stays on, and it's really cool. It's cheap at 200 reals. In my opinion, LED in the headlight is something cool. It gives the car a better look, doesn't it? When we see a 2016 new car, we see that the car has a yellow headlight, and I think it's good. It's cool to put a cool LED there. I guess the value around 160 for LEDs. There are more expensive LEDs, there are cheaper LEDs, so it's your choice. To wrap up the total of this bill in reals, I've picked everything a bit cheaper, the cheapest price I found. Therefore, LEDs cost around 160, totaling 6 modifications. I think these activations are really cool. These options to modify your car are really cool. And with just those reals, you will already be able to change the look of your car. Now, I didn't include some other aesthetic things that are much more expensive, such as grille, aerodynamic parts, mirrors, because they are much more expensive, and then it wouldn't be worth 100. If you want to know everything that is installed on my Audi 3, and if you don't know the channel yet and you don't know my Audi yet, we have a video here showing and telling you about all the activations, all the modifications, as well as wheels, suspension, grille, aerodynamic parts, mirrors, interior finish, multimedia center, everything, absolutely everything that was changed. We have here to show you, so hey, if you want to know everything, we have a video showing you everything in a bit more detail, also with the value of everything. There's even a video here that was really cool and went viral a lot, which we showed to everyone. How much did I spend to build this Audi with everything in terms of performance and also everything in terms of aesthetics, which was a very high price. Guys, that's it. Don't forget to leave a like below, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment for us. If you have an Audi A3 and you have already made any modifications, what were your modifications? Okay, take care everyone. Bye bye.